Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from PatrolEV.com, coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and we just finished doing an upfit on this Tesla Cybertruck. This is the Roadside Responder out of Florida. He came to us to get an emergency roadside light bar system installed. So at Patrol EV, we have installed a Whelen 48-inch legacy light bar. We've got Whelen surface mount LEDs on the front bumper, the rear bumper, all wired into a Core C, which we've mounted off of the center screen inside and powered off of our own DC to DC converter, running off of the 48-volt architecture under the hood, integrated right into the Tesla Cybertruck for smooth operation. This guy is ready for safe roadside assistance. Let's also take a look in the back of the truck. This is a master class in how to set up the truck with MOLLE panels. We've got crossbars, MOLLE panel decks, MOLLE panel on the side for all of his emergency gear to be strapped down. Impressive setup for this truck. So hopefully you'll never need this, but if you are in Florida and you need roadside assistance, look no further than this truck. And this is exactly the kind of stuff that we can do at Patrol EV, upfitting your Cybertruck or other EV vehicle. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We got a lot more of these upfits to share with you.